Here's a great deal on a 2003 GMC Yukon. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, automatic temperature control, fully automatic headlights, and more. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.